Bitcoin's been a hot topic, hitting a record high earlier today, but in the last couple of minutes, that is not the case. Bitcoin prices, they're down $100 right now, which at the current price is just over 4%. But this is all happening, guys, in about the last 10 or 15 minutes for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, its record run, at least temporarily, coming to an end, and in kind of a big way. I'm sure we'll give you more on Bitcoin as we learn more. It's kind of all happening real time.
That's
all right.
weird.
I was looking at this intraday stuff here, Becky. You can't see it on my screen. And it went boom, boom, boom. 3 legs down in about 8 to 10 minutes.
Part of the reason it's run up so much is because of some of the cyber terrorism, where they're asking people to pay in cyber monetary pieces like this. That's why it ran up so much in recent days.
Yeah, look at that. That's okay. Thanks. We had the best team in the business. This is an intraday chart of Bitcoin, Melissa, or 2-day chart, excuse me, guys. You can see on the right side, Melissa, pretty big, quick turn.
The biggest force here in the Bitcoin trade of late has been Japanese regulators opening up Bitcoin on an exchange. And so therefore, there was one point where 50% of the Bitcoin volume was out of Japan. So that was a huge factor in this recent push higher in Bitcoin.
And you wonder if that also has to do with the Japanese government liberalizing or legalizing gambling. There was no gambling allowed in Japan at all, except for the pachinko parlors where you convert points to things.
Two separate issues, but I get that because historically, I mean, Japan has been they love to trade currencies. You read way back when, not even recent, like in the past 10 years, housewives trading.
Staying at home, trading
exactly.
Way back yen. But can I ask you a question, Melissa? Is Bitcoin a currency or is it an asset? Everyone says it's a cryptocurrency. I would disagree, and I know. I don't think it's because a currency can't move like this. I would say it's more like an asset, like gold or real estate, something else that accumulates in value.
Why can't a currency move like that?
Well, I guess it can to the downside. If you look at like the Venezuelan dollar, the ruble. But I'm saying from an upside perspective, if you've got to transact, if I owe you $100, why would I pay in Bitcoin when it's going to be worth far more tomorrow?
So you think it's like a bartering system?
You'd hold it because you wouldn't want to give up that upside, which I would never think to do if I had a $100 bill.
Well, we'll have much more on Bitcoin straight ahead. We'll have sort of a Bitcoin primer, and also we'll have the CEO of a messaging app that's launching its own cryptocurrency. So we'll ask that precise question.
Yeah,
exactly.
It's going to be great. All right, maybe he knows what's going on.